Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me on this special video. Today I'm both humbled and excited to share a milestone in my YouTube journey. On December 8th, my channel reached 1,000 subscribers, and on December 24th, the channel reached 100,000 views. These numbers, while modest in the grand scheme of digital media, mark a pivotal moment for me and the channel. Reflecting on the past 3 years, the journey has been a gradual progress. When I started in 2020, the channel was a nascent project with just one video. In 2021, I added 3 more, and in 2022, I just added 2 more videos to the channel. However, 2023 has been a year of transformation and renewed commitment. This year, I published 23 videos, including the one that you're watching right now, along with 24 shorts, which is a significant increase in content compared to the previous year. This change in pace has been both challenging and rewarding. The growth of the channel throughout 2023 was steady and encouraging. At the beginning of the year, with just under 400 subscribers, I was gaining about 1 new subscriber per day. It was a slow but consistent growth that I deeply appreciated. However, everything took a turn for the better in September when I published my first ever shop tour video. This video resonated with many of you and helped bring attention to my earlier videos. The positive reception was overwhelming, and it led to a notable increase in both views and subscribers so far that October became the best performing month for the channel, bringing in 189 new subscribers. As we approach the end of the year, the channel reached the sweet milestone of 1,000 subscribers. In the world of content creation, where YouTube recognizes the creator for reaching 100,000 subscribers with the silver YouTube button, 1,000 might seem modest. However, for me, this achievement is significant. In light of this, I've decided to create my own DIY version of the YouTube button. It's not only a token or a reminder of this achievement, but a symbol of gratitude to all of you who have watched, followed, and interacted with my content. Your support has been invaluable, and it's your engagement that truly brings life to the channel. As this year comes to a close, I'm really looking forward to what's next. I have big plans for the channel in the coming year, and I hope you will continue to join me on this journey. And who knows, perhaps we'll be celebrating the 10,000 subscribers pretty soon. Well, if that happens, I will definitely make another one of these. Thank you once again for your support, encouragement, and for being a part of this growing community. I wish you all a happy new year filled with joy, health, and success. Let's make the upcoming year even more remarkable. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.